Hi, my name is Anila Noor. Originally, I'm from Pakistan and now living in Netherlands. I'm also founder of New Women Connectors and I'm also part of Global Refugee-led Network. At New Women Connector, we are really creating a platform to give voices of all refugee and migrant women across the Europe. We are trying to give them a platform, our understanding, where they use their voices, their experience, and give an amazing perspective according to their lens, the life they are living, and talk about the policies, how and why is it important to change the policies. I'm involved in at so many levels for the advocacy and representation and meaningful participation of refugees in the policies, and we are trying to change the narrative around forced migration, and we are trying to show their resilience, the importance of refugees' involvement in the debate. I think when I hear this word welcome, it means you feel comfortable, you feel at home, and you do not be taken as a burden. Welcome means is ready for you to embrace you with all your abilities and capabilities or weakness. I like to listen to music, all kind of music. And honestly, I will share. Maybe when I was in my country, in Pakistan, I never understand the music, the importance of music, the folk music, the poetry. But after living here in Europe, I have special connection with the music, the poetry, because they also share a story and so many different perspectives. I am proud of myself because I didn't give up. The journey which I selected is not easy. It's not easy for so many women who are living and coming from developing country. Because in our developing countries we are from, especially South Asia, they give the importance to their sons and they never ask their daughters what they want to do. This thing, I made myself a decision what I want to do. I want and become an activist, a fighter, an advocate for all the refugee and migrant, especially women voices who are really living here and trying to change. I really want to show their resilience because for me their empowerment is so important, but unfortunately their resilience, their courage, their life never been captured. It should be. There are so many things I want to work on. Like I really want to change the narrative around forced migration. I really like and want to make more platform where these voices come and feel comfortable to share their voices, their lives.